हाँ जी, ये क्या लेके आया? हाँ आप बता दें, आप इंट्रोडक्शन करवा दें।
1 2 3 5
कैसी स्लाइम है जरा दिखाएं।
ये
अच्छा तो ये स्लाइम लेके आया, इसको अभी ओपन कर रहा है ये, और ये खुद कह रहा था कि मेरी वीडियो बनाओ। मेरा कुछ तुम भी हेल्प करो इस बेचारे की।
सारी चीजें नहीं ओपन कर रही।
नहीं, just one.
हाँ, वन ये वाली।
Yeah.
This is kinetic.
What is this?
It's kinetic sand.
Kinetic?
Kinetic sand. So we can find और बारे में पूछना चलेंगे ऐसे।
ये क्या है?
ये hammer shovel.
We need a container for this for you to play with. ऐसे यहाँ पे kinetic.
Yeah, because you can't do it, because if you will play here then it will mess everywhere.
Okay.
Yes, so you need something to put that slime in that and then you can play.
Yeah. Kinetic sand is
Yes.
It has something in there.
ये क्या है इसके अंदर? हाँ?
Dinosaur I think. Or
अच्छा, इसके अंदर कुछ टॉयज भी पड़े हुए हैं।
हाँ?
I
Okay.
think it's a dinosaur or a frog.
Oh, wait.
ये
ये
भी कुछ है।
और इसमें भी कुछ है। I can see the bones. And that tells me everything what I see.
What about wait, we don't have a container. Can you please pass me that round thing?
Which brown thing?
Round thing, वो तरामी सी जो जिसको तुम कहते हो।
Round thing? वो तरामी और वो जो भी है। ये राउंड थिंग इसको चाहिए थी। ये लो जी राउंड थिंग।
ये लो गाइस। मेरे kinetic sand।
इसको तो हटाना।
मेरा मोबाइल नहीं उधर कर करके नीचे फेंक देना।
What is it?
इसको तो थोड़ा आहिस्ता करो, टीवी को जरा आहिस्ता करो प्लीज।
Crab in here.
Crab?
What is this?
Crab.
Oh, it's a crab inside.
Yeah.
And what else?
No, I'm not opening everything today. You need to wait for another day. You can play with kinetic sand today. Tomorrow you can play with.
Because you
something
can't mix all of them.
else. Yeah.
Do you know that?
I can make it home now.
Because they are all different, so you can't mix them.
Because they will change into another color.
So this is the sand one.
Yeah.
So this is the sand one. Okay.
It's a sand one.
It's not like a
Slime one.
slime.
Rock one.
Yeah, rock one is so hard.
This is the slime.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the slime one, which is so messy, which I don't like.
Yeah.
I don't like the slime one.
Me too. I like the slime.
But you said me too. You just now.
But I don't like this slime thing.
Huh? Show me that too.
No.
No, I'll fix it here. Oh, okay.
So what you are doing with that?
Here, I'll fix it here.
Are you making something or not?
No.
Wait. Here. Now you can.
So with this, what you can do?
We can dig
Dig
it.
it. Yay! It's a crab.
Yeah, I got the crab.
बच्चों का भी एक अपना ही वो होता है ना।
We need a knife. So don't kill the crab.
So you can kill the crab with this?
No. See? Look.
You can't do this.
You love it?
I love it.
And do you love it, Abasi?
Yeah. You love it? Do you love my kinetic sands?
Yes, it's nice.
Make sure it stays in this tray.
Okay, wait.
So what you are doing?
I'm smashing.
Can you make anything with this or
यहाँ
not?
हाथ साफ नहीं करने, यहाँ हाथ साफ करना. Don't make mess on the floor, please.
Oh no, I need to put the crab first.
Okay, tell the audience what you are making. So tell in the camera what you are doing with this.
मैं क्रैब होम बना ली है. इसकी होम तोड़ गया.
So now can you tell them in English?
His house broke.
And then what are
And
you
then
doing
what are
now?
you doing with that?
I'm making his house.
And your
Okay,
house?
so ये जो है अब्बासी जो है ये क्रैब का हाउस बना रहा है जी. पहले इसका हाउस इसने तोड़ा है, उसके बाद अब इसको हाउस बना के भी दे रहा है. तो देखते हैं अब ये कैसा हाउस बनाएगा या गवर्नमेंट की तरह सिर्फ लारे ही लगाएगा. है ना अब्बासी, हाउस बना के दोगे या सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट की तरह लारे ही लगाओगे?
I'm gonna make a house.
ओके ओके, दैट्स गुड. सो सारे वोट जो हैं मेरे बेटे को देना, क्योंकि ये जो है ये हाउस बना के देगा. ओके, सारे वोट इसी को दें. चले से बाय बाय.
Bye bye.